Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Comparison of Deep Learning for Classification 3 Challenging Democracies of the Indian Coins. Our project abstract is Indian currency coin came with a variety of democracies. So of all the varieties of 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin have the similar diameters. So the majority of coin style in market circulation for the demonstration. So we have easily find out that the 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee based on the 10 and 20 rupees coins. So the same exactly numerical on this receive side. If the coin resting on the observe side, so the current demonstrations the human easily identify and the classify by the coins. So first we have take the images of the coin data set. So 5 category of data we have taken. We have classified the current democracies for the training for deep learning neural network algorithm. So deep learning means we have taken the CNN algorithm. So in the digital images we have collecting the image for the database. After the data we have trained the model. We have predict automatically for the similar diameter of the coin we have predicted, and finally we have effectively side of the coin accuracy will be improved. Our project flowchart based on this one. So image selection means first we have collected the coin data. After the image resize method, so everything image we have resize with the 250 cross 256 of the image. After data splitting process, 80% of training and 20% of testing. Finally we have the classified your model using CNN algorithm. CNN algorithm based on the BGC16 model we are used. After that finally we have predict your, we have select the one image, the 1 rupee coin or 2 rupee or 5 rupee or 10 or 20 rupees coin wise you will select the one image is automatically prediction for that image. Finally we have calculated the performance analysis. So first we have opened the Anaconda Spider tool and run that code. This is a run option. So it based on the 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 and 20 rupees of the coins. So first we have plot that the input of images. So first we have run the code. So 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupees. So after the sample data, so we have trained the model. We get the 94.28% of accuracy. This performance matrix. After select the any coins, we select the 10 rupee coin. We have predict the 10. Thank you.